Okay, everybody, good evening. Good evening. A little after 7 o'clock, 7:03 p.m. to be specific. Eastern time. Catching a little bit of a bounce out of the Globex Open here. Yeah, what a day today was, right? Crazy sell-off. Cool. Look at this. Sanity. That was a liquidation. Even more than a sell-off, a liquidation. So how many days we got to go back now? We're down back to these lows. We're going back into this range here from September. Wild. I think we're going to need a bigger box. How'd everybody trade today? That's the real question. While we monitor this market, see what we get. I'm going to draw my levels out here in a minute. Excuse me. JP doesn't want to talk about it. That's okay. We don't have to talk about it. Aloha. Oahu kiteboarder. How are things out in Hawaii? So we're going to be using a little bit of this. See if we can spot anything interesting. There's some liquidity up at 71. $60 buy side. So it might be going up a little bit from here. What's up, Blogger? Barry, how are you? He was holding VWAP here a little bit. It's interesting. Maybe we get a little pullback here. And by pullback, I mean it goes up. What's up, Bo Bear? Looks like it wants to tap into that liquidity. So we had a VWAP bounce, or at least VWAP support on NQ. Right here. And here. All right, buying through it. Lots of buyers there. You can see how it's getting some momentum here. So let's see how it goes. So looking for the continuation play. Probably not going to be pretty, but small size, 5 micros. 66, I want to see hold up. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. So we had a lot of buyers at this level. This is kind of want to see is hold 71 and a half. What the hell, right, Corey? You only live once. No, this is all E. This was all ES. All ES. Living Ataman. You can tell what chart it is. There's watermarks on it. To the Bat Cave. Just trying to be patient. See what we got. I'm long at 72. No, it's a terrible price. I only have 5. I might add a little more if we go a little lower, but I got my first order for profit at 76 and a quarter, right below this, right here. So I'd like to see us trade up into this level, take this liquidity here, then maybe get up to 580. Stops below this swing low here. $73.5. It's not bad. You know, you'd think we just drift a little higher on low volume after a day we had before they come back and tank it again for Asia or London Open. I'm thinking for at least the next 45 minutes to an hour or two, we drift up. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. So I'm thinking keeps getting bought up. Here goes. Yep, I'm long on ES. All right, filled one. See if we can get more out of it. Okay, if it goes to 0, scream. Got it. So far, so good. Low volatility, grind up. We got right to the liquidity level I was thinking about right here. This level right here. So we want to see them buy this up and then buy up the 580s. This was a good sign right here. Big sweep of the book right there. So we got some buyers. Let's see if they can hold it up. She knows, Corey. She knows we're long and we're about to print. Good evening. Good evening. Oh, still learning my Stream Deck keys. It's cool. I could switch between different charts with the press of a button. And if I go away, watch this. Ready? Be right back. Pretty awesome, huh? I know. Oh, Stream Deck's awesome. I use it for trading. So I got my hotkeys and my buttons for the stream all on the same keyboard here. So I can buy, sell, join bid, join ask, flatten all, cancel orders, break even, whatever I need to do. We got some sellers up here. Let's see if they can buy through it. So you can see this. Oh, they bought it. That's good. We want to see them buy this now. Well, I'd want to see us stay below VWAP. That didn't happen. So we held VWAP a couple of times, especially on NQ. So, and the thesis is that we will be going up on low volume, just kind of floating higher after the crazy day we had today. And then ultimately, what happens next is maybe in Asia or what have you, or maybe even London. They bring it lower. Or we just trade sideways all night. And then nothing happens till tomorrow. And then tomorrow we trade sideways. I mean, anything could happen. Yeah. See how they pulled that bid right there? I don't like that. So, you know. I do. I do have my new screen up. That's the book map you're seeing there. It's big. It's beautiful. I have it on an arm that's attached to my desk and it's hanging right over my laptop. And I love it. These new monitors are super sleek. It's a curved one too. I love it. So I'm looking at book map, really big. I got my laptop. I got another curved right here. So this is everything I'm showing you guys. And then I got more stuff over here. I'll show you a pic. I'm afraid if I press the button, it's gonna. There we go. Oh, I don't know why it's failing to send. It's bouncing off that liquidity. I just tried to post in the Discord. It wouldn't let me. The Chinese are taking the other sides of our sim trades. All right, come on, buy through this already. So when it happens, you're going to see a big buy order. Somebody's got to sweep it. There it goes. Oh. Nobody wants to buy it. $32 flat has more of the real estate than 34 curved. Is that physics or something? How that all works out? Well, JP, you know what my opinion of the matter is. My opinion is that you can't have too many monitors. And what's one more monitor? I mean, really, in the scheme of things, what's one more monitor? Clearly. And I'm not afraid to admit it. If we come back to my entry, I think I'm going to stop out. I do kind of want to take one more off here, but I feel like they're getting ready to buy this thing. I'll take one more off here. All right, took one off. Still holding. Next order's at 79. Now let's see how high this thing can go. I still got 3 micros. Come back to 73 and a half, I'm out. I'm not taking any losses on this trade. Nice core. I want to see. I think you probably have posted a picture before. I'd like to see it. What's YouTubers doing? Sorry, YouTube. I don't pay as close attention. I do have cold air blasting in here. It does get very warm. I have 3. I took profits on 2, Barry. I have 3 left. I have 3 left, and I'm about to take another one off if we hit 79 and 3/4. Because they want to buy. Oh, it looks like they're pulling some of the ask there. Oh, they added it back. I don't know what's going on here. Volume, pressure. I don't know. Do I? I need to add it. This thing up here, you mean? Imbalance and market pulse. Yeah, I have everything, so I just don't have it up. So let's take a look. Yeah, market pulse. How do I add it? I don't see it here. I have it installed. Is it down here? How do I add it? Click create. 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 Studies configuration. Am I missing the create button? I just see create a screenshot. Configure add-on market pulse. I don't see it there. Configure add-ons. It's not here. Oh, here it is. Create. Okay. Oh, I see. Duh. Okay. Now what do I do? Show widget. Pace of tape. Oh, there's a lot of things here. So which is the best for what we do? Pace change, icebergs, pressure, absorption pressure, pace of tape and balance. Sounds interesting. Pace of tape and balance. Ooh. That's cool. Flips a lot and flips fast, doesn't it? Volume pressure. Okay. Let's do volume pressure. Okay. I don't know what this is, but if I love it already. Ah, Future King, welcome. Yeah, this is better than YouTube because I don't really follow the chat as closely on YouTube. I can only follow so many chats. I do check on YouTube, guys. It's just no, that is not me. Oh, so aggressive sellers. It made a noise too. Yeah, and less delay. Less delay. It's freaking cool, man. Here come the buyers. I'm still in. Came real close to my stop though. Real close. Somebody just put a big fat order above here. Okay, they pulled the ask. They raised it. Buyers coming in here. Whoa, there goes. Can you guys hear that or no? Somebody bought 229 contracts on the ask there. Yeah, I'm still holding. I'd like to get filled at my 79 3/4, and then I'll still have two. Come on. I do like the volume pressure and the tape of pace, the pace of tape. Hey, you gotta be super patient with this, huh? From the buyers again. I haven't, T Cooper, I haven't used a lot of some of these features. I've used Bookmap, but some of these I have not used. It's very cool. I am like a kid with it, except my toys are so nerdy. It's not even funny. Monitors, like I'm a kid in a candy store with a new monitor and like this geeky ass software. Love it. I'll send this picture to my phone so I could post it in the Discord. Still in. Close it out here. Made $100 on this stream. About to lose it. The buyers don't step in soon. Right again. Close another one. Got 2 left. Still holding. Up a whopping 4 points. 4 handles. Here goes. Well, this has been slow. There's the buyers. All right, got filled another one. All right, I'm going to close it. Done. $128. Woohoo. Probably took more size than me. Yep. Every time they take out the liquidity level, it sells off every single time. They bought 229 contracts here. They bought 160 here. Every time they do that, they sweep the book and then it sells off. This is a low volume sell off here. This is low volume. Now the sellers have picked up. I think I got out what I did, huh? Look at that. Would you look at that? Now what do we do here? It's a PDC long, isn't it? Name that setup. Straight over. The problem with this setup is this is such a low volume, immature VWAP that it's a tough trade to trust. It can as easily come back down to this VWAP. Well, it's a good question. What is all of this? How do I hide that? I don't want to see it all in this window. Oh, okay. I want that gone. I want that gone. I want that gone. Perfect. Save workspace. Awesome. Well, that's fun. So how far down, we could start taking a short if it started holding underneath. I would say, at this pretty much this level, if we crack 72, yeah, 72. I'd say short under 72. You take that to a return to value back to VWAP. We do have a low volume node right here at around 70. So that's a problem too, to the short side. So, you know, we would assume this would hold. Buyers. Can you guys hear that? The alert? Oh. So that was a complete flip of the tape right there. Very interesting. It started losing its mind when the buyer stepped in, more so than tick strike. It was like, "Brah, brah, brah." Anyway. All right, guys, I got an inner circle class here in about 9 minutes. So I got to wrap things up here. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk, stay sharp, head on over to the voice channels and the premium. You guys can share your mic, share your screens. We got a couple of good long trades in, yes, I'm closing up here $145 in the last 50 minutes. Just trading this. Nothing fancy, but a winning little session nonetheless. Hope you guys have a nice evening. If you're going to keep on trading, use the voice channels, trade together, manage the market. More buyers stepping in here, guys. I will see everybody tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the premium Discord. And we'll be doing 10 a.m. on YouTube for the delayed stream. Have a nice day, everybody. Have a nice night. See everybody tomorrow.